Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to write Urdu alphabets. And in this video you will learn Urdu alphabets from Alif up till the family of Re. Let's get started. Urdu is always written from the right side. So we will start from this side, from the right side, and you have to look closely, you have to look attentively how I write every letter, and each letter is pointed toward which direction. So the first letter is Alif. You will start from here and then you will drag it to the downward. This is Alif. After Alif, the second letter is Alif Mad A. Again, you will write in the same way like Alif, and you will put this symbol. This is called Mad. Okay, you will start from here, then to the right side, and then you will turn it downward. This is Alif Mad A. This is Alif and this symbol is Mad. Alif Mad A. After this, our Be family is started. Look closely. You will start from here, downward, and then to left side, and then upward. Okay, in this way, and Be is having one dot underneath. This is how Be is written. The second letter of Be family is Pe. In the same way you will write. And Pe is having three dots underneath. This is Pe. Next letter is Te. Te. All the letters in this family, in the family of Be, will be written in the same way, and they are different with their dots and symbols. Te is having two dots on the top. Next letter is Te. Te. Again you will write in the same way, and this letter doesn't have any dot. It has a symbol like this. It is called Topi. This is Topi of Te, and it is written like this, straight line, and then you will make the shape of an eye. Okay. The last letter of Be family is Se. So it will be written in the same way, and three dots on the top. This letter has three dots on the top. This is called Se. So this is Alif, Alif Mad A, Be, Pe, Te, Te, and Se. Okay, up till here our Be family is completed. Next family is Jim. Now look closely how to write Jim. You will start from here, a small line from downward to upward, then you will drag it to the right side in this way, and then you will make a semicircle like this. Jim has one dot inside it. The next letter of family of Jim is J. Again you will write the letter in the same way like you have written Jim. Small line from downward to upward, then right side, and then a semicircle up till here. This letter has three dots inside it. This is J. J. The third letter of family of Jim is He. This family, all the letters will be written in the same way. This is He, and He is empty. It doesn't have any symbol. It doesn't have any dot. Last letter of family of Jim is Khe. Khe. It will be written in the same way. And Khe has one dot on the top. Family of Jim has four letters: Jim, J, He, and Khe. Okay. Next is the family of Dal. Look how to write the family of Dal. It is again like a semicircle, but it is towards the left side. Okay, this is how it is written. You will drag it to the right side and then to the left side. Okay, dal is empty, it doesn't have any symbol, it doesn't have any dot. Next letter of family of dal is dal. Again it will be written in the same way, and this letter has symbol. Again this symbol, topi symbol, a small line you will draw, and then you will make the shape of an eye to the right side. This is topi. This symbol is called topi, and this letter is called dal. Next one is zal. Same way you will write, and one dot on the top. This is zal. This family has three letters: dal, dal, and zal. Okay. Our next family is re, family of re. Now, how re is different than dal? Dal is a rounded one. This shape is rounded one, but re you will write like this. Small line you will draw. This is straight line from downward to upward, and then you will drag it to the left side like this. This is re, family of re. Next letter family of re is re. This letter has this symbol on the top, topi. This is called re. And the next one is Z. All the letters in this family will be written in the same way, and it has one dot. The last letter of this family is J.